Let's look at this question. Each of the 250 residents of Pola Islands belong to one of the two tribes, Sola and Dola. The two tribes were not allowed to stay together. Sola tribe stayed at the northern part of the island, whereas Dola tribe at the southern part of the island. However, King Kola received a command from his respected monk Mola to allow them to stay together for the first full moon of this year. The king sent his minister The king sent his minister at the end of the year to know about the current status of the two tribes in terms of location, genders, etc. It was known that the population remains the same during the year. His minister asked six people, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, of the island randomly to describe their tribes, location, etc., and the replies were as follows. P1 says, I am a male belonging to Dola tribe, and out of 43 other males from Dola tribe, 20 do not stay with me in the same region. Okay, so based on P1's response, hopefully you can reach this conclusion. Dola tribe has males 44. Has males as 44 because he is a male belonging to Dola tribe and 43 other males. So there are 44 males. If 20 do not stay with him, 24 stay in one region and 20 stay in another region. We don't know which is where. Okay, we'll take care of it later. P2 statement, out of 87 other males staying in the same region as I am, 64 are not from the same tribe as I am. So for P2, see, there are 88 males in his region and 64 are from a different tribe and 24 are from a different tribe. This 24 number we already know, Dola 24. So in whichever region Dola males are 24, there you have Sola males as 64. We don't know the females here, we don't know the females here, we don't know the region here. I will also make another setting for another region, Dola, Sola. Males here will be 20, females we don't know, and males here we don't know, females here we don't know. So I've taken care of statement 1 and statement 2. Statement 3. I am for Dola tribe and out of 42 other Dola tribes staying with me in the southern region. Okay, so in the southern region there are 43. In the southern region there are 43 Dola tribe members. 24 are not of the same gender as I am. So the gender split here is 24 and 21. In South, out of 43 Dola members, 24 and 21 are different genders. Now see, here I have 24 males here. I have 24 males here. I have 20 males here. If the gender split is 24-21, it cannot be in this region. It will necessarily be here. So 24 and 21 here. Additionally, this is the South. This is the South. That is also identified. Okay. Taken care of the third statement. Fourth statement. I am from Dola tribe and out of 86 other Dola tribes staying with me in northern region. So in the northern region, there are 87 Dola tribe members. This is the north. There are 87 Dola tribe members, 20 are males. So 67 will be females. This is done. And 67 are not of the same gender as I am. So this is a male. P4 is a male from Dola tribe. This is also done. Wonderful. Statement 4 taken care of. Statement 5. Out of 29 females staying in the southern region, out of 29 females staying in the southern region, so I have 21 females of Dola tribe in the southern region already. So if there are 29 females staying in the southern region, 19 are from Dola tribe. Now this is a problem. This is a problem. Oh, why this is a problem? See, because 43 breaks up into 24 and 19, not 21, 24 and 19. So this will be 19. And 29 females staying in southern region, 19 are from Dola tribe. So 10 females will be here. 10 females will be here. Okay. Okay. Taking care of this. Next is I am a female living in northern region, and out of 87 other females in the northern region. So if 87 other females are in the northern region, in northern region you have 88 females. If 67 females are here, 21 females will be here. 21 females will be here. Done. So the only number left is males from Sola region in the north, males from Sola in the northern region. We know total number of residents in the island are 250. Let's add these up. These are 43. These are 74. So together these are 117. So this should together add up to give me how much? 117. So this should be 133, of which these two are 87. This is 21. 87 plus 21 is 108. So this should be 25. Okay, so this will be 46 now, and I will reach a total of 133. All conditions. So for region wise I have the total number. Let me also get the total number for Dola and Sola. Dola total will be 43 plus 87, so 130. Sola total will be correspondingly 120, 74, 46, 120. All data points are known to me. Let us get to individual questions. Which combination of tribe, gender, region has the highest number of people at the end of the year? Tribe, gender, region. So Dola, female, northern. Dola, female, northern is the largest number. So answer will be option C. Which combination of tribe, gender, region has the lowest number of people at the end of the year? So tribe, gender, region. So Sola, female, southern. Sola, female, southern. So option C again. Total male residents in the northern region. Total male residents in the northern region, 45. Are what percent of all residents of Sola tribe living in the northern region at the end of the year? How many members of Sola tribe? You have 45 by 46. This as percentage. So when you look at this, 45 by 46 as a percentage, if you have to see, the answer will not be this small. It will be greater than 90%. So the answer should be option D, none of these. Okay, last question. In which combination of tribe region was the absolute difference between male and female the lowest at the end of the year? The absolute difference here is 5, here is 54, here is 47, and here is 4. So the minimum absolute difference is Sola northern. So answer to the last question in the set will be option A, Sola northern. That is all that there is to this question.